Okay. I have a story. When I was young, one day I was going to school at early in the morning. I think it is 5 in the morning. Then I saw a big snakes outside my house, outside my gate. Then I quickly ran back to call my dad to see the snakes. What I saw, the snake is very big and black. It is about over 2 meter, I think. So at that day, I was not going to school at the end.
Okay. Based on your story, what I understand is about you looking for a big snake when you going to school, right? So for that day, you cannot you don't going to school because you so
Yes.
very scared for the snake lah, right? I right?
Yes.
Okay. So let me share about my story. I'm very. I have a favorite food. My favorite food is ayam gunting. So one day when I'm so very craving ayam gunting, I'm going to for that day I'm going to find ayam gunting, but ayam gunting, the shop of ayam gunting close. So for that day, I bad mood because I cannot find ayam gunting. At my house, so many ayam gunting, but at my area at my house have one shop ayam gunting so very good, so very delicious. But for that day, when the shop closed, I so very, oh my god, I'm so very bad mood for that day.
You are so obsessed with ayam gunting, but one day you found out that the stall that sell ayam gunting that you like is closed. So you are very upset that day. That make you feel bad mood for the whole day, right?
Yes.